Hello guys, this is my pinball machine that I'm working towards with for the past few months actually, and I just want to briefly tell you about this pinball machine. So these are the triggers for the flippers, as you can see. This is the score, and this is like the bumpers, and behind it is the mechanics, and I'll tell you about that more in the next video about this pinball machine. I'll release that soon. And these are the lights that will like flash or light up when the ball's in play, and we've got some like sensors and triggers. But anyways, I will tell you more about this soon in another video, and you have to subscribe, and a like would be very appreciated. Thank you.